Hey everyone. Happy what today is today? I don't know. Let's see. Look at my calendar here. That's the one. Oh, I got to change pages. Okay. Today is going to be Monday, the 3rd of March. Let's do some kind of a pattern from this deck. That one. What's it going to be? Ankur. Ankur. Can you guys see that? Let me zoom in. So basically, we've got a circle with 1, 2, 3 little swoops coming up this way, and then the same 3 swoops going that way, and a stem. And then these are all the varieties that you can do. You can do, instead of just swoops, you can do like back and forth like that. You can do petals. You could do a teardrop shape with arms going that way. You can do a snail-like shape with going that way. You can do it all just going one way. And then she's got them all in a bundle like that. Is that what I want to do? I don't know. I don't think so. I'm not feeling mandala today. Let's do a blue piece of paper with a pink pen. And I'm going to go, let's do go this way. Perhaps we will put one that's more of a teardroppy shape here. With just feeling, I don't know. I feel like this ink is doing a weird thing. Like it's not coming out. Huh. Okay, piece of paper towel. Let me see what's going on here with this ink. Can I scribble? Get some better ink out? Come on. There we go. Let's try again. That's better. That's actually putting some color on the page anyway. Because this one didn't end up with any color either. A little bit? I don't know what's going on with this pen. So what happened to this pen with this one? All of a sudden it had this weird... I've not seen a pen do that before. And it still doesn't want to write there. That's weird. Alright. Something like that. I don't understand what's going on with... We're going to fill in with some like little bud-like shapes. How's that? That will work. I'm still not happy with this one over here, so it just doesn't want to draw there. Whatever was going on with this pen, it had an issue. Doesn't want to draw there. This was A. All right, just a simple one for today. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what was going on with this pen, so we will leave it at that. Simple, easy, quick, super quick. That's okay. I got things to do today. Ankur is the name of that one. And I will see you guys on Wednesday, which apparently is going to be Ash Wednesday. I need to remember to ask for that day off, or at least ask for that evening off so I can go to Ash Wednesday service at church. Yeah, I got to remember to do that. Let me make myself a note. Oh, I may already be off. No, I don't think I'm off. Oh, because I'm already on vacation that week. Yes, I'm on vacation that week. I'm already off. We will not be home on Ash Wednesday. That's okay. That's okay. Didn't know that. That means that Easter is coming soon. Easter Sunday is going to be April 20. April 20. Good to know. Anyways, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you guys on the next video. We'll do something, I don't know, maybe we'll peruse Pinterest and see what we find there. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Have a great day.